Have you sent money to somebody, and that somebody goes and registers the property? He first registers a limited company, and that limited company, him and his children and other people are the owners of that company. Whether the title deed does not have your name, whether the land registrar, your name is not there, so long as you show that it is you who funded the purchase price, the Court of Appeal will give the Muhammad Ali knockout. They will give the Tyson knockout. One uppercut and you go down. Gumi should be listening to this. Gumi should sue the mother and get the money back and the properties back. All is not lost. Welcome to the episode on the question of Ngumi, our Kenyan hero turned to a villain who went and married by convenience to an American woman. The American woman akamwosha. He was taken to prison for 6.5 years without appearing in court. He was released. He went to court. He was awarded 11 million. The advocates took over $4 million. He was given over 7 million Kenya shillings. He sent this money to Kenya, to the mother. Mother, nijengee ninunue plot, nikikuja nipate kwangu, nipate biashara. Mama alimuosha. What we don't know is the mother to Ngumi, did she register the property in her company? Did she register a company and put the property in that company? Have you sent money to somebody, and that somebody goes and registers the property? He first registers a limited company, and that limited company, him and his children and other people are the owners of that company. You come back and you're told, no, the property that you are shown photos is registered in the company. Can the Land and Environment Court revoke that company? Can somebody hide money and property in a company and he walks free? This was the question Vivian and team had to deal with. This was dealt with at the Court of Appeal, not even at the High Court. This is at Mombasa, at the Court of Appeal. Justice Visram, Justice Karanja, and Justice Mother Koome, then a judge of the Court of Appeal. Today, Mother Koome is a Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya. This is a civil appeal number 75 of 2016. This is between Juletabi African Adventure Limited as the first appellant, Daniel Ojwang Achoka as the second appellant, and Christopher Michael Lockley as the respondent. This matter had appeared before Justice Kasango in Mombasa High Court, and she gave a decision dated 21st day of August 2015. What are simple facts in this matter? Christopher Michael Lockley was on holiday in Diani in Kenya, where he met one Daniel Ojwang Achoka, who was his tour driver at that time. The guy who was taking the mzungu all over. The two struck friendship, which culminated in the incorporation of a company called Juletabi African Adventure. This one, the man as a driver money was sent. The mzungu went back, sent serious money to run the company. When this man was abroad, this Kenyan of ours told the mzungu that there is a need to buy a vehicle, a motor vehicle registration number, KM, to run the company. The mzungu bought the company. He bought the car. This man went ahead and registered the vehicle and the properties in his name and his children in a company. When the mzungu came, he asked, what happened? My truck driver, my confidant, my tour guide, what happened? Kaambiwa, utanionea kwa view sasa. Ameoshwa. This man aggrieved. He went to Justice Kasango in the High Court. In paragraph 7, Justice Kasango gave a judgment dated 21st August of 2015, and he said a declaration is hereby made that the first defendant holds the motor vehicle, Toyota station wagon, and the parcel of land in trust for the plaintiff. The Kenyan lost the land and the vehicle. 2, that trust is hereby dissolved and an order is made that motor vehicle to be registered in the name of Christopher Michael Lockley. This man, a Kenyan, got mad and appeared before the Court of Appeal. Remember, the Court of Appeal, the Chief Justice, Martha Koome, is presiding in this quorum, in this court. She was sitting there. In paragraph 28, the Court of Appeal says, applying the emphasized principles to the case before us, all indications are that a resulting trust arose as between the respondent and the first appellant. As stated in the authority above, a resulting trust will automatically arise in favor of the person who advances the purchase money. Anybody who will show that she is the one or is the one who gave the purchase money, whether or not the property is registered in his name or that of another, is immaterial. This is the Chief Justice. That time she was a Court of Appeal judge, saying whether the property is registered in your name, you who is in the diaspora, it is immaterial. Whether it is registered in a company, whether it is registered in this man's wife or his children or anybody, it is immaterial. What did the 3 judges say? It is common ground that all the purchase money for both the vehicle and the parcel of land was advanced by the mzungu. The parcel and vehicle were therefore held in trust for the respondent by the first appellant. Having expressed ourselves as herein above, we find that the appeal lacks merit and is hereby dismissed with costs. The appeal of the Kenyan tour guide who was given a job. People are funny. This man was a mere tour guide. He was given a job. He was given money to start business. His appetite blinded him. He tried to be smart. The Court of Appeal, the High Court returned the property to the mzungu. This man, blinded by the property he saw, he went to the Court of Appeal. He lost in the Court of Appeal, and the Court of Appeal hit him costs. So the costs at the High Court and the costs at the High Court, at the Court of Appeal. This was the decision of Justice Al-Nashir Visram, Judge of the Appeal, Justice W. Karanja, Judge of Appeal, and Justice Martha Koome, Judge of Appeal, on the 23rd day of November 2017. What are the lessons in this matter? That whether the title deed does not have your name, whether the land registrar, your name is not there, so long as you show that it is you who funded the purchase price, the Court of Appeal will give the Muhammad Ali knockout. They will give the Tyson knockout. One uppercut and you go down. Gumi should be listening to this. Gumi should sue the mother and get the money back and the properties back. All is not lost. Our team, Bramwell, Vivian, and Sarah's fantastic research. Lawyer Danstan Omari.